take a look at the pound dollar for the upcoming August 28th session. First off, we want to just take a look at the daily chart. And again, there was that close below the daily chart. We had a push down yesterday, and then we've had a pull back up. And so basically, when we take this down to a 1 hour chart, you can see that we're retesting the backside of that trend line. And if you take a look at where we are on the water line and with the MACD, it's pretty much saying it's become slightly bullish, but you can see how it's still in the histogram here and right pretty close near to the water line. So it's still saying neutral, which means that we could again initiate a downtrend. So what we're going to do for the pound dollar, it's fairly simple. We're going to go down here to this 30-minute chart. There's our lines from yesterday that broke down. And we're going to have a very, very steep trend line here. And what we're going to do is we're going to watch for a couple things on the 30-minute chart. It's going to be very simple for the pound dollar. We're going to look for a close above this moving average and into the daily trend line to go long, because it would be above these highs, and that would be a continuation of this rally that happened end of day yesterday. The other thing we're going to watch for is a close below this trend line here on the 30-minute chart, and we're going to look for price to continue in a downward motion. Now, as you can see, the histograms had little momentum during these last several half hours or hours. Little momentum with this move up and down, up and down. So what we do want to wait for again is a close above this exponential moving average on a 1 hour chart to go long, because again, it's above these highs, above the daily trend line, and above that 200 EMA here on the 30-minute chart. And the other trade that we want to look for that is a sell would be a close on the 30-minute chart, a candle close on the 30-minute chart below this trend line. Again, we're going to be looking for it to continue on down. That could be a great way to get into this overall move, because as you remember, we closed below the daily trend line here. And this could be just a retest before a further move down, maybe a test of the 200-day exponential moving average. So that's it for the pound dollar. It's a wrap. Look forward to having more of you tune in for the pound dollar next week.